It's Professor Monty. Let's look at simplifying complex rational expressions using division. Okay, so if I have a problem that's just a fraction over a fraction, that's a complex fraction because there's a fraction in the numerator and or the denominator. Well, remember, this just means division. So it's really A over B divided by C over D. And we remember also that division is just invert and multiply. We flip over the second one, and then it's just a multiplication problem. I will usually just skip straight from here to there because I know that's division. So I just say, oh, invert and multiply times D over C. Okay, so let's look at it. So we've got this 3x over 4. I'm just going to rewrite it as 3x over 4. But instead of divided by x over 7, I'm just going to flip it over and say times 7 over x. Now it's not a complex fraction. Now I've just got a single fraction. I can reduce here. X goes in there once, goes in there once. Now I just have 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. The bottom 4 times 1 is 4. That can't be reduced. I'm done. Pretty simple procedure. Now, let's look at this one. It's a little more complicated. It's a little more algebraic, but it's the same idea. I take the numerator, x over 6, x squared minus 25. But now I go times, instead of divided by this, flip the bottom one over, x plus 5 over x squared. And now I can go through and do my problem. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to factor this out and then multiply through. So I've got this x to the 6th. It's essentially times x plus 5 if you want to write it as a single fraction. This is x plus 5, x minus 5. Difference of 2 squares. And then I have the x squared. And if you wanted to, you could have left them as 2 separate fractions at this point. It doesn't really matter, but don't multiply things out. Well, the x plus 5's cancel. X plus 5 over x plus 5 is 1. It just kind of gets sucked in. These two x's cancel 2 of these. I'm going to get an x to the 4th, and nothing else reduces. I have an x to the 4th on the top, and an x minus 5 on the bottom. So if your problem starts out as just a fraction over a fraction, it's real easy to do. Just invert and multiply. It's very quick. We've done division of rational expressions before. If there's terms in it, it's a little bit harder. I'm going to link that video to this one, where you'll probably see it coming up in just a moment if you don't see it already. But we're going to do it, instead of using division, we're going to do it using multiplication by the LCD. All right, see you in a minute.